Red color. Yellow color. Black color. I draw capital letter A. B. C. D. E. F. Let's paint green color. A for alligator. C for cow. E for elephant. Yellow color. B for broccoli. D for dolphin. F for frog. Let's repeat learn A, B, C, D, E, F. I hope you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe for more educational videos. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.